let's connect. Let's connect to the now. That's where the magic happens. So let's pay attention first to our breathing, coming from nowhere, from nothing, creating something. And be really very aware of the life force that the breath is carrying with it and how it discharges in the body, bringing in vitality. Okay, so we're paying really close attention how the power of the breath bringing in vitality. So we're breathing with super awareness to pay attention to this magic as the life force transmits into physicality in the body. And all that with so much humbleness and awe. Because when we observe this beauty, for me, I can only say, wow. How everything ticks so beautifully, so perfectly together. And let's relax our system so we can testify for this magic that we are part of. Maybe the cat cannot do it. Maybe the olive tree cannot do it. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they can. But for sure we can do it. Human. Testifying for the magic which you are part of. We pay attention how the breath moves in, how it goes out. And we pay attention to see if there's any obstacles for the life force to flow beautifully inwards. And we're inviting that part that maybe is a bit heavy, tight, emotionally, physically, mentally, or energetically, to soften. So when we exhale, we can release that. Inviting the breath to move through your body all the way down to the pelvic floor. So you feel that the pelvic floor expands when you inhale. And then when you exhale, there's a tiny contraction in the pelvic floor as it sends back the breath and the life force out from the crown to infinity. But all that is with zero effort, we're just observing. Allow your whole being to receive the life force with the breath as if it just enters and fills you up with so much vitality and power. And then the natural response for that is gratitude. Thank you so much. Try not to miss even 1 inch of this magic which you are part of. How the life force enters to the body, how it moves and nourishes each and every cell, how the energy starts to move in harmony, how more space is being created, how the heart or the emotional center start to vibrate with harmony and gratitude. This is all natural, but we have to allow that to be, and to allow ourselves to be aware of that magic. And on Sunday I was talking about atomic existence. See if you can recognize the particles of existence vibrating like crazy in you. This can manifest as colors made from infinite dots, can manifest as sound, Om, made from sound vibration. Whatever you're perceiving that, just be aware that the vibration or the atomic existence is infinite and you're part of it. Allow your awareness to capture the vibration that is everywhere, and we are all part of it. It's not only in my body, of course. And into that vibrational field, invite any tension to soften, to harmonize and synchronize with the natural vibration that is effortless. And relax into that. Surrender into that. So all this iceberg of tension will melt in the ocean of pure consciousness. It's undoing, it's not doing, it's undoing. It's letting go, it's surrendering, it's dropping. Yeah. It's not an effort action. And if there's still tension, surrender more, let go more. Be as humble as possible in front of this creation, this magic that we are part of. Allowing the arrogance of the mind to disappear in the ocean of being. And arrogance is when the mind thinks that it can solve everything, and it pulls all the life force into itself. Humbleness is when the mind says, wow, God, I'm sorry. I'm letting go now. And then the truth shines like crazy. Let's get enforcement from each other, because it's normal that we're not all in the same vibration, because sometimes the mind drives us crazy, or we're struggling with some difficult situation. Is normal. So it's normal that not everybody can harmonize the same. That's why we are here together, to support each other. So let's acknowledge the presence of each other and open our heart and our mind to the presence of each other and feel the love and the unity between us. And all what we're doing now is as one body, one being, made from all of us, participating in this moment. And if I'm talking now for those who are going to listen to this recording, this is happening right now. It doesn't matter if you listen to it in 15 or 15 million years. This moment is now, and you can always connect to the now, even if it's supposedly what we call future, because there is no future. So if you're listening to the recording, you join with us. Open your heart, open your mind, acknowledge the unity we're sharing, the one breath we're sharing, the one love we're sharing, the one mind we're sharing. And relax into this sister brotherhood unity. You are at home. Relax. Nowhere to go. Nothing to be done. Just be here. Enjoy. And when you are in the here, in the now, so much grace available for you. Crazy amount of grace. From the heaven, from the earth, from angels, from gods, from those who pass away, from your family. So much grace. Relax to it and enjoy that as well. You are the son of creation, the daughter of creation. Allow Mother Creation to love you. And trust. Again, if you still feel any tension in your mind, in your body, in your emotion, or in your energy field, just offer it to infinity and invite synchronization. And trust that everything is okay and will be okay because you're harmonizing with the creation. Everything is perfect. The only thing that separates us from this perfection is the illusion that I am me. Yeah? That's what we call ego or mind. So here we're training to let go of that, because it's complete Fata Morgana illusion, complete illusion. Confirm it with your being, that when the mind is so soft, so infinite, you feel good. That's the confirmation. It means you're connected to the truth. And there is healing, so much healing. So if you're facing psychological, emotional, or life journey challenges at this moment. Trust that the healing takes place exactly in this moment, in the now space. Don't give the healing to the mind that is taking away from the now space. Surrender more, and then it'll take place. And the wisdom of creation is so magical that we don't know how it's going to manifest. Nobody knows. So surrender, trust, and you'll be healed. And healing doesn't mean that it will take place in the way you think. You might want to have it natural, but it needs a surgery. You might want a surgery, but it happen natural. We don't know. Let's relax. Thank you so much for all of you who joined this meditation. I feel so grateful for your power and for the love that you're bringing in. And what we're experiencing here is so powerful, billion times more than what we know, what we think, because we're uniting with the power that creates everything. So it's affecting everything, including humanity. And that's our joy, and that's our duty, to realize who we are and to live that, to be that. Tomorrow I'm doing a workshop about energy coaching. The link is in the Infinite Being Academy, a group, a community group. So you're welcome to join. And you're welcome to join our courses of energy reading, energy coaching, which really helps you to connect to the truth and apply it in your life in any way, personally, professionally, socially. Anything you're going to touch will be different. And remember that we have this membership, Infinity membership. So if you miss a meditation, you can connect it and see it and watch it again. So you're welcome to sign in through our website. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.